my name is Jatavian, and I want to go to New York so I could see the Super Bowl and see one of my family members win and have a lot of money, and so we can live in a big house, and I have a lot of pets and have my own YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Natalia, and I want to go to Atlanta, Georgia. I would want to go to Atlanta, Georgia because there is a lot of people with a lot of walking, like New York City. I've been there before. It is a lot of fun. Bye.
My name is Skyly, and I want to go to Houston, Texas, and I want to see NBA YoungBoy. I want to see Perfect Laughs. I want to eat at their restaurant and do jobs and go see Just So Cool and do fun things and swim too and play at day parks.
Hi, my name is Kenyana. I want to go to Las Vegas because I want to go to Las Vegas. I want to go swimming with the dolphins, and I want to go scuba diving and see the fish, and I will wear my scuba diving gear, and I want to see the dolphins do tricks. I want to go see my pawpaw glass. I want to go on a plane and jump out 105 feet and fly like an eagle. Bye. I want to go to Texas. I want to go see the YoungBoy and my family, and to see the city and my big house. We are going to so much fun watching movies.
Hey, my name is Micaiah, and I want to go to Hawaii so I can go swimming and so I can go see the beautiful ocean and the hottest hotels. I would go to Hawaii because I've never been there before, and on my TV I see how beautiful they look and see all the sunsets and be at the beach all day. Bye. My name is Pierre. I want to go to Houston, Texas to see NBA YoungBoy and Just So Cool, and go out to eat with my mama, and also see Butter Bells. Hey, my name is Tariana. I want to go on my vacation to Hawaii on my favorite day. I can get in my 4th of July baby suit and swim like in 5 feet. I'll probably go with my friends, but I will taste the food and dive in the water. Bye!
Hello, my name is Zara Harris, and I'm gonna explain mine. I want to go to Jamaica. I want to eat a whole bunch of food. I want to get a whole bunch of clothes. I want to go swimming. I want to learn the way. And I want the expensive home over there.
My name is Deborah, and I want to go to New York. I want to go to New York because I have lots of fun, and I can go to eat New York and swim and make sandcastles, and I want to go to the beach.
Hi, I'm Jamie, and I want to go to Mexico again for vacation once. I want to go eat tacos. I want to go play with my 4 dogs. I want to go to the zoo. I want to play with my grandma and grandpa. I want to jump on the trampoline. I want to play outside.
I will go to Florida, be a policeman, be my, we go to all the way up here. In a play, in flight, I play real vacation. I will swim and play on the beach and have fun.
Hi, my name is Ava. Where I want to go for my vacation. I want to go to Atlanta because I want to swim with the dolphins and go to the movies and see scary movies. And go to Chinese restaurants to eat. I want to go to the beach and I want to go to see my family that live there. And last, I want to go on a roller coaster and jump 50 feet out of an airplane and land on a trampoline. Bye.
Hey, my name's Tiara and I want to go to South Carolina. I will go to a place where we can eat ice cream, also go to the zoo, jump on a trampoline, watch movies in the game room, go on a roller coaster, and have fun at the park. Hi, my name is Ariana. I would like to go to Atlanta. I would like to go to Atlanta to meet Kamisha and move there. I would like to go swimming and I would like to go scuba diving and I would like to go make songs with her.
My name is Ayani and I want to go to Florida on vacation because I want to see my cousins. I want to go in a hotel with my cousins. I will go to the park. I will get some ice cream with my cousins. I want to go in a restaurant with my parents and cousins.
My name is Angelina. I want to go to Alabama because I want to visit my grandpa and grandma and visit my dog. And then I will go to the store with my family and eat in the restaurant, then go to the park.
Hey, my name is Calvante and I would like to go to Gatlinburg to go to the Space Needle and the arcade and go to Five Guys to eat, then go swimming and go to the hotel to sleep, then wake up and play with my cousins and play with fidget spinners to go to the store to buy some oatmeal to eat and cook and drink some tea and Sprite and play.
Now my name is Natalia, and I would like to go to Mexico. And I would like to go to Mexico to go swimming there and eat there and go sleeping around on the boat and see animals and speak their language.
Bye.